Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along.
Ayun, amazing morning. Ayan, ngayon po is ng June 9. Grabe yun. Ngayon naglalakad ako papuntang office, no, na para mag-claim na mga product purchase ng mga member ko. No, ngayon, no, grabe, naglalakad lang ako ngayon na alam ko soon babalikan ko to kapag naging ka-achiever na ako ni I Am Worldwide. Grabe yun. Basta, no, grabe. Ngayon lang to. Alam naman natin na sa business is walang nag-uumpisa na may resulta agad. Nag-uumpisa muna sa mga ganito. Ayan, Lord, alam ko ikaw yung gagawa ng paraan para maging successful ako dito sa I Am Worldwide. I claim it na yan, Lord. Thank you, Lord!
I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win. I don't want no fake love, I want the real stuff. Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the path, if you want it bad, I'm gonna show you where it's at, yeah, how you can get it.
I am John Albert Mangarin, founder of Team Accountable, and I am worldwide.
Just what I want, yeah. Rises like the sun, yeah. Fatal like a gun. Shooter's gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot until I fall. Yeah. Always do